Hey kids! Today we are going to be learning the last 8 letters of the alphabet. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Alright, let's get ready and open some boxes. Let's start with S. 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 S is for SWAT truck. S. SWAT truck. Let's open it up. Wow! Look at our SWAT truck. It's a police SWAT truck. Number 7. What a cool SWAT truck. Next we have T. T is for tow truck. T. Tow truck. Let's open the tow truck. Wow! What a cool tow truck! Look at that! He can tow some cars. Next we have U. U. Underwater submarine. U. Underwater submarine. U. Wow! That's a really cool underwater submarine. Look at that. This is so that we can see from under the water. What a cool underwater submarine. Next we have V. V is for van. V. This looks like a moving van. How cool. Let's open it up. Wow. Look at this van. This is a really cool moving van. Next we have W. W. W is for water vehicle. Wow, cool. W. Let's open him up. Wow, look at this water vehicle. I bet he could move really fast in the water. W. Water vehicle. Next we have X. X is for X-ray truck. X. Let's open him up. Here he comes. Here's the X-ray truck. This is a really cool X-ray truck. X-ray truck. Next we have Y. Y is for yacht. Look at this cool yacht. Y. Let's open this box. Wow. It's a yacht. And look, there's some water. We'll put the yacht in the water. This is a really cool yacht. Last we have Z. Z is for Zamboni. This is a Zamboni machine. Z. Let's open up the Zamboni. Zamboni. A Zamboni cleans the ice. This is a Zamboni. Z. Thanks for learning your letters with me. We had a lot of fun. I'll see you guys next time.